sun, beach, top-level tennis and family time. Come with us as I show you in this video how our incredible trip to Mallorca was during the ATP 250 tournament. Hi, I'm Max and I'm going to tell you about our family trip to the beautiful island of Mallorca in Spain during the Mallorca Championship, which is one of the tennis tournaments on the ATP 250 circuit. Milena, Maju and I traveled and had some incredible moments on the island. In this video I'll tell you about our itinerary with some useful tips and suggestions for tours, especially for those who enjoy tennis and want to visit the island with children. We arrived at Palma de Mallorca airport and picked up a Toyota Yaris from Recordgo, which we had rented directly through Booking. After picking up the car, we headed to Santa Ponsa and stayed at the Casablanca Hotel, which we also booked through Booking. Since we arrived a little before check-in time, we left our bags at the reception and enjoyed the hotel pool while our room was being prepared. That was enough to get us into the mood for the trip. We bought our tickets for the tennis tournament in December, when we also bought our plane tickets and hotel. I recommend booking everything in advance, because the best seats for the tournament sell out quickly. The tournament is held at the Mallorca Country Club, which has a charming structure with grass courts and is well organized and has a family atmosphere. We took Maju, our 7-year-old daughter, and she really enjoyed it, but here's a tip: it can be very hot, so bring a hat, sunscreen and lots of water. On the third day, we went to Porto Cristo to see the famous caves called Cuevas del Drach. We bought our tickets online a week in advance, and it's important to respect the visiting time that is written on the ticket. When you buy, you choose a time and that time must be respected. The caves are impressive, a tour that combines nature and beauty with a touch of adventure, but it's also great for kids. Maju really enjoyed it. And after visiting the caves, we went to Manacor, which is very close by, to visit the Rafael Nadal Academy complex. There are themed restaurants there, such as the Café US Open and the Roland Garros restaurant. Yes, even the names are reminiscent of the Grand Slams, and there's also an official store. And since it's a training center, there are also several courts where you can see players training live. We saw some of them training with the coach on the fast courts, which was really cool. Soon after, we also visited the museum, the Rafa Nadal Museum Experience, and it was all exciting. I've always followed Nadal's career and seen the trophies he won up close, especially the ones from Roland Garros, which is my favorite tournament. In addition to the Olympic torches he carried, the medals he won, the rackets he used, clothes, sneakers, shoes, everything. Well, it's unforgettable for any sports fan, especially for those who like tennis. I highly recommend it. I really liked it. On the fourth day of the trip, we took a break and enjoyed Santa Ponsa Beach, which has very calm waters and is perfect for children or for those who want to enjoy a calm sea. It's a great area for families, with restaurants, a market, and lots of leisure options. Regarding mobility, driving to the main area is very easy and very pleasant, but during high season it can be difficult to find a parking space. So pay attention to the signs. White lines are free spaces, blue lines are paid spaces by meter or app. And the yellow lines are where parking is prohibited, you won't park there. There are also private parking lots, but we ended up not needing to use any. So, to conclude, what I can say is that it is definitely worth visiting Mallorca during the ATP 250, the Mallorca Championship, especially if you are a tennis fan, and if you can take a trip to Manacor to visit the museum and the Rafael Nadal complex, even better. And a final tip: prepare yourself for the heat. Light clothing, hats, sunscreen, and plenty of hydration are essential. With good planning, you can have a great time with your children and still make your dreams come true, such as watching a professional tennis tournament up close. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel and comment if you have already been to Mallorca or if you want to visit. Until the next trip, see you.